Bw'omuguzi.
Chitariki ni sato mwanchomo ligerelia chumotinyi oikomi mwaka w'ikirubera mirongo ebere na inya sentunda ende charagire chinsa ikomi chabana mugoroba gukwarira ntanyara ko bato gusanga muna hitogana to bato gukorototera kurwa semesa yaitoyama yachinga kitogana to bato ko bwaterana amuna bariki baita bagana to bakwereka banyara ko bako yasangiriria aselibo elimo. Karibu sana ngora nanda seka kitaliga tambe nyara ko bingosanga amuna hitogana to bato kwarira ni century wing. Alright, whether semi tanda yetu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, whether YouTube Ndizi TV News na boigo website ya www.ndizitv.net na boko ya bwati ya mone merobali himege taseni kya Ndizi TV. Nsemo ye kebere studio kone kebana chibi chamene lyo chago chira senchira. Yobo ikirano yakuru kwa sara mama chinga kilide musebo igagene tokoba kwere kinga go chira wetera somono. Bebe manyire ne kwa Josephat Amesi. Toko ya chakanigo omugavana we county ya Laikipia Joshua Irungu kanyare ko bagagweso kina gukora etaro ya bene kuchasinya gitari imeye county eyo ya Laikipia sekerengagyo kwene kina korotota wa monchoria yomorobelio bobo bwene kurwa se ekegancha kya NHF kwikira ekegancha kya shago kwana nigo Irungu kanyare ko bagakwenekia buna nigo serikali ere chimbero kwene kengengere ko bakora obonchoreria obo asobwa ngo kigima nabo kobolia haba menye benseme yoti bawo bwa kwikira na se chinja gitari libanyara ko bakwenyorera obo bwenya nyale ko bakosemi haba menye kurase county yibigo banyara ko bagwesokia sobunge buna enchire ya moyo kwelikia ase omorobelio yomoya bobo bwenya ase literesha.
Nimekuja hapa kuwashua watu wetu ya kwamba huduma zote zetu za hospitali zitaendelea, na kwanza wale watu wetu wa dialysis, wale wagonjwa wetu wa dialysis, wale wanakujaga kwa dialysis, tunataka kuwaambia kwamba kwa sababu tumesikia kwa runinga ya kwamba kuna kwingine inabidi watu watoe pesa kwa mfuko ndio waweze kulipa, na kwa hivyo kwa sababu hayo inaweza kuogopesha wengine wakose kukuja kwa sababu wameogopa kule kwamba wakikuja hapa wataitishwa pesa.
My plea and appeal to everybody, kindly let us all register under social health insurance, because this is the surest way of providing everybody with healthcare service.
Hizi huduma za kama dialysis hiyo poto ya NHF haijafungwa.
Tokos kamotwe omo waziri bwa mangana ye chinse chiarogongorwa East Africa Beatrice School nigo anyale ko bagagoteba nachikoira ege tambokero gikora chingwa na amono mwaziri boigo kurwa sorogongo kurwa senselia ya Buganda buna enchira eyemo yokoleta okogaya na somo chando bugonchorelia akwelire na boigo okosaligwa kwebinto biria bitwetana ine kubatikana nokogendera kwiywa kwa magena ase omubaga bwense ya Kenya nene asensemo elia ya Busia nonyara bo niganya ko bakone kingo chando yo nonyara ko bakorwa asobwango hasanyale ko baga ko boli haba menyi kurwense ya Kenya anane abo bamete ase omubaga obusi abanyarakoba abatwaro chinga kia serikali irachikoba kwemokia engane yo nabo igo kwena na amachibu ase amatuko abangwega.
Pia wameharibu hiyo cause of the river. Tulipokuwa tuko ofisi nilimzungumzia waziri akasema anataka kuona to what extent hiyo river imeharibiwa, na kuna mtu ameniambia sasa kwao manyumbani pia hawapati maji kwa sababu kwa block, na wakati kukinyesha sengine ina cause flooding kwa hiyo maeneo yote because of that thing.
Maji imeharibiwa, watu ambao wanategemea hayo maji yakishuka hivi yakienda kwa lake wanatatizika kwa sababu border is being interfered with, na pia nyumba za watu zimeanza kubomoka upande wa Kenya. The suspicion is that somebody is digging tunnels underground na imeanza kuwa tatizo kubwa kwa watu wetu hapa.
As a ministry, I am going to face it. I am going to see what we can be able to do very fast
with the leadership of Uganda, because my counterpart on the other side is there to listen and to know some of this.
Togos kamotwe nigo abaraibe chikanisa aho bagena tokoba bagwesokia na kuboria ebunge enene nyale ko bagego tuguterare omuswada wenyale ko bagukikiwa se bunge oyo orengete kumurusia abisyo mokonyi bumurayi Rigathi Gachagua bakokwana mone chinyumba choboraria nigo boigo banyale ko bakwaneka chinga kiye abarayi bali bacholire amona bananchi nibabwena tokoba bagwikirania chira chemagendro na boigo go tuguterare amaberera aksiasa ayera chikobaga kwirania magega amagenderero nigo boigo banyale ko bakumubole murayi bwense na barayi aho banyale ko bakubwatania abarayi bechi kanisa asumurobire buko gayana emechando na kwirania nsamaberera aksiasa yagenda tokoba kwenekiwa imeyense ya Kenya.
Ours is peace. Peace from number one, peace to the end, A to Z, in this nation of ours.
All politicians, that time we have is time for development, not politics. We are at the time of politics to choose those who are leading now. And so we need to stop politics of attacking one another left and right. That will not save this nation.
I said the church is able to regulate itself. The church has run people. The church can direct itself. And so we are also asking the government of Kenya to give the church time and even to let us have advisors to advise this government, because the church will advise the right way for development of this nation. Thank you.
Togos kamutumu anchumu ligerelia nigo ebyumbe bigendrete koba bikobolia anene ababwatani ababwatokoni kuyabanyara ko bagwasokia na gosira chinga chiria chitariko bachikwenyara buna enchire yemoyo kogenderia asobuguma bwabo bwakira litwa ni gane kegwali tkolia lero imeya orgongo rwa Mombasa magega ya ebyumbe ebyo kubwaterana amone serikali banyara ko babago chaka kwena na obokonyi bubo tugibwe chinsu na bigo kwena na umurobiryo urachiko bagosira chinge cyo kogenderia ase obogima bwabo nanyira ba serikali ganyale ko bikolira ngane chiko bagiko babwate si abamenyi bali bakorwa ase chindoche nabo igo chinyanja chiria chikoruba chinswe eli banyara ko bakwegenderia ase obogima bwabo.
Katika awamu ya kwanza na ya pili tulikuwa na makundi 135 ambao waliweza kunufaika, wengine waliweza kutengeneza maboti, wengine waliweza kusema kwamba wanataka kufuga mbuzi, wengine wakataka ng'ombe, wengine wakasema wanataka kutengeneza mabawa ya samaki kama hii hapa. So tumekuwa hapa leo ili kuja, hili ilikuwa tu ni sampling ya kuonyesha yani vile venye tuna harvest ni kiasi gani ambayo inaweza toka, lakini wako na date specific ambayo watakuja ku harvest tarehe 27.
Kile kipato chetu tutakachopata 50% tutakuza mradi wetu, tutafungua duka la samaki Mwenyezi Mungu anapopenda, alafu 30% tutajirudishia wenyewe shukurani ili tujisaidie kwa watoto wetu kwa upande wa school fees na mambo yale hitajika, alafu 20% tutarudisha bado kwa mradi kwa upande wa kuendeleza na kukimu mahitaji yale ambayo yana
Togos kamote buna enchire moyo kogendera gotingia okoborwa koborendi banyare kobokane kiwase county ya Kitui nigobono serikali nabo igekyombekeriya gyoko gayana omorembe imeyense ya Kenya Kenya ko bage ko barangari gucyase cyabisi cyabo abana siasa babere ko rwase county area ya Tana River bunenchireye mo yokoerera anene amaberera no kongusana na obotindi okonyagende tokabokane kiwaseme bagaye chi county echibere katiye county ya Tana River neria ya Kitui kolengana nabo bisa ko rwase kyombekyo nigo batebirenga nigo nigo umurobero yo oraje ko bokwerekana naretera ko bokoleta okogayana hase abamenyi abo libanyara ko baba kogendera amono muremba yanigo hakorekanire mu magega ya ebyumbe ebyo bitamanyiri wesokya nabo igo kogendera ko babiko enekianga byanyare ko bigo segeta chisegi ekigenda to ko bachikwena kiwase bisaku ebyo bibereme county ya Kitui nelia ya Tana River.
Mine first of all is to appeal to both residents wa Kenya wote wanaishi Kitui ama wanaishi Tana River to appeal first of all for calmness, because maisha kipotea, you will not itarudi. We have issued summons to leaders who we know, or one way or another, are not helping in the way of peace. They're the ones who are quietly pushing, quietly inciting, instead of following the path of peace. We had 5 names. There are more names which we have been given, and there will be someone that's at our place, and of course we'll have a very robust discussion. The investigation is already ongoing as we speak.
Then they went to destroying the police station, which was illegal and unlawful. For the first time to now, raia wanaenda ku destroy police station. We have been accused of sleeping on the job. We have not slept on the job. We are balancing human life. And because askari wangesukumwa wangepiga risasi. If they were injured, wangepiga risasi. Na askari wangepiga
Toskamo tweni gobo igo ebyombe ebyo bigendrete koba bigo segetana kolende bintu biri bitwitana ne binyere ko bigwesokya nako bolya chinse chire kenyere ko bachiko egendere lya kinyere ko bachiko bato kachibesa chise inego cha se chinse anene kurwa sorogongo rwa Afrika bunenchira eyemo yo kweneke abanyere ko baba gosegeta nabugo kogendera kurwa niesegi iyo gonchoreri ya kwelire kolengana na ebo bisabe byombe byo nigo batabiri nonye nabo egati ye chibese chikonyera ko bachiko bato kurwa se chinse chiri chiegendere taranyara kwa bachigo ikera se chinse aimeyoro gongoro Afrika nabo igokore meremo elia erengete kolenda ogonchorera kwelire ngati ya emechando emenene yenyere ko bekonekiwa anena se chinse chire chigendeta kwa bachiko egenderia imeya orogongo rwa Afrika.
Africa has been promised severally, and this has not been realized. So our agitation, our call, our clarion call, as civil society organizations, is please tell us the truth, deliver, and polluter pays principle must apply in terms of what we are doing as a country and in the whole world.
On the climate change aspect, I think it's very important. When we have droughts, when we have floods, all these things require lots of money. So when we go to Azerbaijan, one of the things which the chairman also mentioned is the loss and damage funds. Because as we know, Africa is only emitting 4% of the global gases, the carbon.
Amanchomo ligeria yongati yande amanga itogena tokobatu ko bwatire kurwa semesa yaito yamaya chinga kitogena tokobatu ko bwatrana amona bariki baito bamangana maya bagena tokoba kwe busorase ebinyero ahase oko yasangirelia asiri bari motonyera ko batogo sanga amonaye bunere botambe naboko bwatia amayaya emeroberi imegata sendikiandizi TV Chinse merongo ebirana nyamatuka 5 na bere wiki weterase mitandao yetu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News digital wetra YouTube Ndizi TV News website ya www.ndizitv.net irinyara ko kwegokya gwesemya nabo yokwemanya mange ngagende tokoba igakorekana imeyense ya Kenya nyoranganigo ebunge enene gendete kobage kurigereria hasilit koliangyo aba amenyi bense ya Kenya barachikoba kwenyola libagabo igoryo kubatoke birangirali byabo igoryo moswado nyana tokobo wikiwa ase bunge enene igoryo komurusia BC omokonyi bomo orai bwense rigadi gashawa nyekole omomenyi bwa account ya Kisi naye litiko yangina bogwa soke ochasamaga chali TC nyale kobago kubatoke kirangali kiago igoryo omoswado yo hake osonyo sirenga umurai umukonyi umurai bwese nyara ko bakurusigwa ase kirogo ekyo kolenda banke baba Kenya ni bagenda tukabatuka ebirengerero byabo onyare ko bago kogendera ko yirigerero Ndizi TV no yurachi ko bakonyora aya amona yande amange ensa aya mohne chisasa to chiare robotuko mochiko mukumira na amonera Evelino Sero nyare ko baga komanyia mankinga togenda tukabatu kwarigereria Leader Mose nsemo ya kabere studio eneke buna chibi onyara ko bakonekia munagojiri gutera somuno bibi manyerero chinga kisara Mose nyara ko bakoletera na kwenekia buna chibichamiriro cyago kira senchira yoboikirano liane ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi na kuganira burigerio bya bwemero buri kubwatia ime ya Ndizi TV.